Welcome to Business Training Media's channel. In today's video, we'll discuss workplace communication tips, the do's and don'ts. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for expert insights, professional development advice, and management tips. Let's get started. Effective workplace communication is the cornerstone of a productive, efficient, and harmonious work environment. Whether you're interacting with colleagues, managers, or clients, the way you convey information can significantly impact relationships, collaboration, and overall organizational success. Good communication fosters clarity, reduces misunderstandings, and boosts team morale. It enables smooth workflows and ensures everyone is on the same page regarding goals and expectations. On the flip side, poor communication can lead to frustration, unresolved conflicts, and diminished trust, which ultimately affect productivity and job satisfaction. To navigate workplace interactions effectively, it's crucial to adopt strategies that promote clear and respectful communication while avoiding common pitfalls. With that said, let's explore 5 essential do's and don'ts for workplace communication to help you build strong professional relationships and contribute to a positive work culture. The do's of workplace communication. Number 1. Do practice active listening. Effective communication begins with active listening. Pay full attention when someone is speaking, make eye contact, and acknowledge their points with verbal or nonverbal cues like nodding. Active listening not only demonstrates respect, but also helps you fully understand the speaker's message, preventing miscommunication. To show you're engaged, ask thoughtful questions or paraphrase their points for confirmation. Number 2. Do be clear and concise. Clarity is key in the workplace. Whether you're drafting an email, giving instructions, or speaking in a meeting, strive to be as clear and concise as possible. Avoid unnecessary jargon or overly complex language that could confuse your audience. Break down information into manageable chunks and focus on the key points to ensure your message is easily understood. Number 3. Do tailor your communication style. One size does not fit all in communication. Adapt your style based on your audience and the context. For example, use a formal tone when addressing senior management or external stakeholders, but feel free to adopt a more conversational tone in casual team meetings. Understanding your audience ensures that your message resonates effectively. Number 4. Do provide constructive feedback. Feedback is an essential part of workplace communication, but it's crucial to deliver it constructively. When providing feedback, focus on specific behaviors or actions rather than personal attributes. Use examples to illustrate your points and offer actionable suggestions for improvement. This approach helps colleagues grow professionally while preserving a positive working relationship. Number 5. Do leverage your technology effectively. In today's digital workplace, leveraging the right communication tools is essential. Use project management software, video conferencing, or collaboration platforms to streamline communication and ensure accessibility. However, it's important to match the medium to the message. For example, use email for detailed instructions or formal updates, while instant messaging is ideal for quick clarifications. Now that we've covered the essential do's of effective workplace communication, it's time to turn our attention to the pitfalls to avoid. In this section, we'll explore the don'ts of workplace communication, behaviors and habits that can hinder collaboration, create misunderstandings, and disrupt a positive work environment. Number 1. Don't interrupt. Interrupting someone mid-conversation is not only disrespectful, but can also derail the flow of communication. Even if you feel eager to share your thoughts, wait until the other person has finished speaking. This demonstrates patience and ensures a respectful exchange of ideas. Number 2. Don't overuse emojis or slang. While emojis and casual language may be acceptable in informal or team chats, they should be used sparingly in professional settings. Overusing them can make you appear unprofessional or undermine the seriousness of your message. Always consider the formality of the situation and the recipient's expectations. Number 3, don't assume understanding. It's a common mistake to assume that your audience fully understands your message after you've communicated it. Misunderstandings can easily occur, especially in written communication. To prevent this, encourage questions or provide a summary to confirm that your message has been received and understood as intended. Number 4, don't avoid difficult conversations. Conflict and challenges are inevitable in any workplace, but avoiding difficult conversations only makes matters worse. Whether it's addressing performance issues, resolving conflicts, or discussing sensitive topics, approach these situations with tact and professionalism. Use a calm and solution-focused approach to foster resolution and understanding. Number 5, don't neglect nonverbal communication. Nonverbal cues such as body language, facial expressions, and tone of voice play a significant role in communication. Crossed arms, a lack of eye contact, or a monotone voice can unintentionally convey negativity or disinterest. Pay attention to your nonverbal signals and ensure they align with the message you're trying to convey. Why does effective workplace communication matter? Mastering workplace communication is more than just a professional skill. It's a critical factor for career advancement and organizational success. Clear, respectful, and intentional communication builds trust, enhances teamwork, and creates a culture of collaboration. By practicing the do's and avoiding the don'ts, you can foster positive relationships, reduce conflicts, and ensure your ideas are heard and understood. Remember, communication is a two-way process. It's not just about expressing your thoughts, but also about understanding and responding to others effectively. Whether you're engaging in face-to-face conversations, writing emails, or leading virtual meetings, the way you communicate reflects your professionalism and can significantly impact your workplace reputation. Investing time and effort into improving your communication skills can lead to better career opportunities, stronger teamwork, and a more productive work environment. So take these tips to heart and start building better workplace connections today. Want more workplace communication tips? Check out the links in our description below, where you'll find free online courses, articles, a newsletter, and valuable resources to keep you informed and support your growth. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your network. Thanks for watching, and best of luck.